Turkey as well as Europe are both popular destinations for dental tourism, with thousands of people descending on these locations to avail of premium dental services with a lesser expense compared to home nations. The most common treatment that travelers seek is dental fillings. These is used to treat decay and to restore the functionality of the tooth. In this short video, we'll look at the price of dental fillings both in Turkey as well as Europe in order to discover which location has the lowest cost options for dentists. Turkey has been a prominent destination for dental tourism over the last few times, thanks to its excellent dental practices and reasonable rates attracting people from around the globe. Dental fillings cost in Turkey may vary according to the type of filling as well as the location of the facility, as well as the skills provided by the doctor. A typical filling for a dental tooth in Turkey will cost between $150 to $200 per tooth. This makes it an economical choice for patients who want to lower the cost of dental treatments. In contrast, Europe is known for modern dental equipment as well as highly trained dentists. However, the expense of treatment for dental issues in European countries is often greater than Turkey. In some countries, such as those of the UK, Germany, and France in particular, the cost for a filling for a tooth can range between $100 to $400 for a tooth, which makes it more costly for those who are visiting the dentist. It is, however, worthwhile to mention that the standard of dental services in Europe is usually considered to be superior to Turkey. In comparing the price of fillings with dental materials within Turkey as well as Europe, the results are clear that Turkey has more economical choices for dentists. A lower price for the dental procedure in Turkey, together with the quality of treatment that is provided from Turkish dentists, make the country a popular location for anyone who wants to save on their dental care. In addition, many of the dental clinics within Turkey offer packages including accommodations, transport, along with other facilities that make it an ideal and economical option for foreign patients. To conclude, if you're considering a trip to the dentist in order to save money on fillings for your teeth, Turkey is one of the best options to look into. Because of its low cost along with high-quality services and convenient services, Turkey offers a desirable place for dental tourism across the globe. But it's important to conduct your own research and find a trustworthy dental center with well-trained dentists so that you can receive the top-quality medical treatment for your dental needs. No matter if you opt to have your dental fillings made either in Turkey or Europe, the most crucial aspect is to put your focus on oral health and explore the top treatment options that are available for you.